Check, to me again. I'm playing fishing Taranaki, how's it going? Booyah! New locations, finding new spots. Check, hope everyone's having a good Matariki weekend. Yeah. Roaming on the quaddy. Let's go. Come on then. Up the back. Yeah. Dig that way. Track up there. Blow your baffle out.
Yeah. The bitch fucking old there. It's not even attached. All good. And there's a big slip just past it.
Is it? That's a big tree hanging off up there. Yeah. Fuck, it's crazy how much fucking slips, bro.
Eerie.
It is.
Look, you ain't out running next year.
Fuck no.
And then you're coming down there cranking the old fucking motorbike ain't gonna help far, is it?
Nah. But when it's big, when it's in, it's fucking right close, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, it must be smashing the clip off there, sir.
Wonder if he's gonna come back. Don't fucking wipe out, boy, you'll be on camera. We'll take that being a monkey, eh? Didn't see that. We're gonna go end off that jump. surging all the way up. Yeah. Yeah, mate, well. You want to fish off the cliff? You want to fish off up there? Hey, get a fucking ladder. TP hut over there. What makes that noise? Sinking. By the time it comes up here, you'll be right up the cliff. But yeah, right in between both.
A little tide, eh?
Yeah, definitely not a fucking 3 upwards. Oh hell no.
It all looks not bad though.
Bro, it looks fishable as fuck.